Welcome to the channel of the Center for Study and Teaching at the Technical University of Munich. In the following short introduction, we present the new TUMonline application My Achievements. We explain its functions and explain how you can use it. At campus.tum.de you can access the TUMonline homepage. Here you will find the login mask at the right side. Enter your TUM ID or your email address as well as your password here to access your personal area via the login button. Before you enter your personal area, you will see current information about your account or notes about your studies on this page. By clicking on Continue, you will get to your personal overview page. In the All Applications area, you will find the application My Achievements in the category Exams. You can open it by clicking on the corresponding tile. Here you can see a list of all your achievements, exams, recognitions, final theses and final exams. By default, all achievements are sorted in descending order by date in the overview. You can customize the sorting as well as filter the results and display only those of a certain status, a certain achievement type, a certain program, or a defined period. You can print out the individual course certificates by clicking on the printer symbol on the right-hand side of the respective entry. By clicking on the respective title or the arrow on the right-hand side, you can access a detailed view of the individual achievement. Here you can see the status, the topic, the assessment, the persons involved, and information on studies. It is also possible to print the individual performance record by clicking on the Print button in the left bar. In certain cases, you will also find buttons with which you can view further course details or exam statistics. Via the house icon in the upper left corner, you always return to the TUMonline desktop. Further information about TUMonline can be found in the TUM wiki system at wiki.tum.de or on the YouTube channel of TUM Student Info. In case of technical problems, please contact TUM IT support under it-support@tum.de. Thank you very much for your attention. Good luck and much success from the Center for Study and Teaching at the Technical University of Munich.